Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do hand pose detection using Vision framework for React Native's new architecture for iOS. So here you can see the output on my real device. I'm displaying an image of an hand and I'm able to draw lines on wherever the fingers of the hands are located. First thing is you will have to run this output on a real device. Second thing, we can't use the image view from React Native, we have to use the UI image view from native iOS side. Also you will have to open this particular documentation because I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation. So this is the output for one of the images. I will just quickly show it to you for other image as well. I'll rerun my application. In the meantime, what we will have to do is as usual I have created a React Native application. Firstly, you will have to open your terminal and cd to this particular iOS directory and then run this particular command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS. Once that is done, here I have created a folder called rtn my image view. Inside that I have created this particular package.json file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Only this name has been changed, this name has been changed, and this name has been changed. Then I have created a podspec file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs and only this name has been changed. Then I have created a js folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs and only this particular name has been changed. Then the documentation says that create an iOS folder over here. We won't be doing that because we want to write some Swift code, so we will be writing all the code inside this main iOS folder. Before that, again you will have to open your terminal and you will have to cd to the root of your React Native project, and firstly you will have to run this particular command. Once you do that, you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project, and then you will have to run this particular command. But here instead of rn app hand pose detection, you will have to write your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rn app hand pose detection. So over here as well as over here. Once that is done, again cd to the main iOS directory which we have and then run this command. So this will do code generation for our folder. So here is the output for second of the image view as well. Next you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. Firstly go to the images folder and here you can see I have added few images. Then go to your project, go to general tab, and here you will have to click on this iOS button and make sure minimum deployment is at least iOS 15. Then again coming back to our documentation, it says that create this header file. So I have created this header file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs, only this name has been changed. Then the documentation says that create an Objective-C file and change the extension to .mm. So I have done that, and again I have copy pasted it from docs and only this name and this name has been changed. Then again create an Objective-C file and change the extension to .mm. So it is Objective-C++, and again this is our header file. This has been copied from docs and only this names has been changed everywhere. This is the name of our project name because we want to include some Swift code, and the documentation says that use this import. We won't be using that, we will be using this import because we are writing all our code in the main iOS folder. Then again this has been copied from docs and only this names has been changed everywhere. This is our Swift file which I will show you shortly. Again this has been copied from docs and again the names has been changed everywhere. Here we are initializing our view, initializing our Swift file, adding it to our view. Again this has been copied from docs, only the names has been changed. So here is our Swift file. So firstly we are importing UIKit and Vision, then we are creating our UI image view. We are initializing it, adding it to our parent view, setting some NS layout constraints. Then here we are creating a UI image. Here you should replace it with your own image name. Then we are assigning it to our image view. Then we call detect hand pose. This is the boilerplate method which we have to override, and inside detect hand pose we just get our CG image. Then we do vn detect human hand pose request. Then we get vn image request handler. On the background thread we perform the request. If there are results, then we pass it to our draw hand joints and do it on the main thread. So here is the method. Again I don't know much about this, I have copy pasted it from docs. This will basically help you to draw all the lines which you saw on our images. So I'll simply scroll through this. You can copy paste the code if you want to. So yeah, that's it for this. Then you will have to go to React Native. You can import your library something like this and use it like this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.